right, I am Dr. Fox. I am here with Sylvia. We're going to talk a little bit about, she's a patient in the office, and we're doing some treatments with her, utilizing our class 4 laser. We've also done some neuropathy treatment with her as well to help with some of the pains. Tell me a little bit about your response. Have you seen good changes? And tell me a little bit about how you're feeling.
Oh yes, my lower back felt great.
Yeah.
All the stiffness that I had after sitting to get up, it's gone. I can't believe it. It is gone. When I stand up, I don't have to do the, where you stand and go, oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Until my back catches up with me. I love
great.
it. Yes.
Great.
It's great.
And it's only been, how long have you been coming in?
Let me see. It was only 2 other treatments, maybe about 3 weeks.
So about 3 weeks. So that's pretty quick.
Yes, it is. Okay. My lower back, I felt the day I left here.
Yeah, which is amazing. So I think it's good for patients to hear that. And so would you recommend our office to other patients?
Oh yes, you bet I have. I already have. I've sent out business cards, and one of the other cards I picked up here, it's all I had, so it's like, here, take this.
Yeah, that's great. And then our, the neuropathy treatment we did with you, that was pretty easy to do, and you noticed those changes, and it helps as well.
I did. I noticed it in my neck. It kind of shifted things around, but it's different.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, a few more. I don't expect that with just one, because I wanted to do a fusion on my neck. So this feels good.
Okay. Well, we're excited of your progress, and we want to keep helping you, so thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.